Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys on how you can apply like auto velocity, like a smooth velocity to your videos on CapCut. Select your video and just simply go to style and select velocity, and the rest is a pro feature, but as you can see there is this flash one, so select the flash one, which is free. And here you can kind of adjust your velocity movement a little bit. You can adjust the beat frequency here, the speed and the intensity of it as well. Whoops. And you're just going to generate it, and that is it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!